Hello everyone. Now let's see about the radius. What radius? Just let me select this wall architect, and okay, and see here is the radius option. You can see. So what does this mean? Just click on this radius, and let me make it as a 300 and enter. Now just let me draw the wall, and you can see when I drawing the wall, it makes the curve of three. It basically the radius 300 mm of that particular curve. Now let me make it as a 1000 and enter. Now you can see when we are drawing the wall, it is taking as a 1000 mm as a radius. Hope you are understanding this. Understanding this. This is a basic thing what this one is the radius of this 1000 mm of. Okay, now let me show you what happen if we overlap, if we draw one wall over another wall. See, if I just drawing this wall over this wall and this wall, so just let me place, and no, this one is not an overlap will be this one. Yeah, I have drawn this wall, and again I'm drawing this wall over this. See, this is showing an a warning. See here, and here it is showing highlighted with orange one. See, so here it is written that the highlighted was overlap. Highlighted was are overlap. One of them may be ignored when the Revit finds the room boundaries. Use cut geometry to embed one wall with other. So basically, when you just overlap the wall, so this will show you warning. So we can just delete this wall and rotate our path, right?